So these are in between the floors on the Majestic Princess, and I think they're cool. And again, maybe this is just showing my age, but I actually learned how to type on these old typewriters. And I remember taking a typing class in junior high, literally with these old typewriters where you'd have to put in the red and the black ink and the little corrective pad to erase a character that you put in wrong, and you have to slam the finger of the digit that you want to, the letter that you want to put on the paper. Very different than typing on a computer or word processor, obviously. So anyway, I thought these were really cool. So I wanted to share these because they brought back some memories.